I have a shipment of Frunks coming in from China, and they're coming in by sea. I flew one out because I wanted to do the instructional video as to how to install them, and I wanted to iron out any bugs or problems in the installation phase. So the instructional video that I'm doing is for everybody who's got one coming. It's not just from people who've got them from me. There's a number of people in Australia that are importing them, and in Malaysia and Thailand and England. So it's really a video for everybody. So there are a few issues with the installation of them, and I'm just sorting that out with the engineers in China. There's nothing serious. It's just the order that you put the screws in and also the size of the screws. So there's a couple of issues, but that should be sorted out the next week, and I'll do a proper instructional video that shows you what you need, the tools you need, and how to install it so that it stays installed, and more importantly, how to uninstall it, because you will need to uninstall it when you take it in for a service. Anyway, this is the first look, so have a look and see what you think. It's quite light, probably be a couple of kilos. It's pretty sturdy, really. So let's see how deep it is. So to do that would be just to measure from here. So I'll get my wife's tape measure out. Do you want inches or do you want millimetres? We'll do inches first. For those of my age. So they're looking about 8 inches deep. Or, if you prefer, 20, 21 I suppose. So the real issue is going to be what can we put inside it. I think we'll do that. So we'll turn that over. So you've got this area here and this area here, which is actually a lot big. It is actually a lot bigger than I thought. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and get my chart. So there's a few people want to put charging cables in here. So I thought I'd put some in just to show you how they fit. So this is a granny charger, so I'll put that in. Yep. It's just disappears. Okay. I'll just go. Actually, I'll just show you that. So there. Screws of photography. Can't get good help nowadays, can you? We're going to get the other one. So this is the external cable. So you put that in. Okay. That's pretty good actually. So this is the other stuff. What's here? We'll go there. Might roll around a bit over. You might have to put something in there. That can go there. Oh, that's not going to go there. Oh, obviously go in here. This will go in here as well. So will this. So this goes in here. Anyway, that's everything out of the back. That's all the stuff out of the back, and as you can see, it all fits pretty well. As you probably know, you can pull this out by squeezing these out. That all pops out, and then you've got a lot more room. Oh, didn't know about that. That'll fit. Where did I get that from? So by taking this out and this out and this out and that out, this whole thing pops out, and you can put a spare wheel in there. Don't know if you'd want to put a spare wheel in there, but it's if you want to. Just on that, the Tesla Tom from Ludicrous Feeds, he did a road test on one the other day. But if you want to buy a second-hand one, you can buy a Mazda 3. It fits, and you can probably get them pretty cheap. I should have the issues sorted within the next few days, and in about 7 days from now, we'll be posting the installation guide for everybody who's got one of these coming, whether they're in Australia or overseas, whether they're buying them through me or they're buying them through anybody else. I'm only bringing a few in, so it's not something I'm trying to make a business out of. It was just something I wanted to do. If you want some more details from me, you'll see in the description below.